Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic 1 TB SSD and 2 TB SSD. Starting with what is SSD. Like HDD, SSD can also store a large volume of data but is more advantageous than HDD, demanding less power. It reads and writes data which maintains even without power. Data do not decay in SSD. Having no magnetic platters, SSDs use flash memory to store and carry their data. SSD uses a group of ICs as a memory for its storage. Classification of 1 TB and 2 TB SSDs. SSDs use a number of linkers to connect with a machine. SATA, M.2, SATA, U.2 are few of them. SSDs which already come fused with the board does not require any linkers for the association. Serial ATA is the most frequently used interface which connects SSD to the desktop computers and PCs. Even though what makes up an SSD? Various components make up an SSD and give them their behavior which they reflect. SSD which saves resolute data on solid state flash memory has a couple of key elements. First one is a flash controller and the second one is NAND flash memory chips. Flash controller includes IndiLinks IDX110M00FC, Intel PC29AS21AS0, J-Micron JMF612, Samsung S3C29RBB01YK40, Toshiba T6UG1XBG, Sandforce SF1500. NAND flash memory chips includes Toshiba, IMFT, Samsung and Hynix. Features of 1 TB SSD and 2 TB SSDs. Movable parts are absent in SSDs. Your laptop must be quieter with an SSD than it will be more motor-driven mechanical drive spinning at thousands of RPM. It retains its stored data. Data once stored in SSD do not decay. Less weight of SSD makes them fit better in desktop computers. Best SSDs. 1 TB SSDs. Samsung 860 EVO 1 TB, WD Blue 3D NAND 1 TB, SanDisk Ultra 3D 1 TB, 2 TB SSDs, Crucial MX500 2 TB, Sabrent 2 TB Rocket, Seagate Barracuda 2 TB. Pros and cons. Pros are reset time is less than 13 seconds. Absence of variation due to presence of static parts. Power drain is less so that heat produce is nearly negligible. SSD safe from every impact of magnetism. Full disk encryption. SSDs are much faster and reliable than HDD. Cons are expensive, limited storage capacity, not abundant in the market, has a shorter lifespan. SSD has a limited number of write cycles, so constantly writing and moving data will definitely wear them out. Future of 1 TB and 2 TB SSD. Affordable and so can meet one's requirement. It provides the perfect required capacity for storage at a minimal cost. It does not require any power. Supports the impressive flash memory for its storage. Satisfying the above needs, it is best suited for future generation. That is why it's the most desirable SSDs. Last but not the least conclusion, this is all you need to know about an SSD. Make a better choice with better knowledge. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.